Okay. So now I'm going to change a command here. So this may command of motor, MOTR.
Okay.
So here you can see I'm having a 8 pins, right?
Yes, sir.
But so I'm using here only a 2 pin. So how should I connect the 8 pin here? Nah? So that's the
Okay.
thing. We are having a block pins. Okay.
Okay.
So in a block pin, motor double click, then I am having a block pins. Here I'm going to add in one more pin, that means invert pin, input invert. That is
Okay.
an NC pin.
Yes, sir.
So for what now this thing I'm going to use a start and stop. That's why.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Add.
Okay. Yes.
Added here.
Yes, sir. Sir, like in ABB, here maybe libraries available for motor, drive, and all these things.
Yeah,
So here also
yes.
available, na?
No, sir. The here reason only we can do the program for a motor and
Okay. Okay, sir.
that's the thing. Because the DCS will be like all
Okay,
DCS
sir.
will having a spec.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Some 1 second. I added one more input here. That thing is enough. So same thing here also. I'm going to add one more block pin.
Yes, sir.
So these pins I'm going to use for the start and stop. See, 3 pins
Okay.
I'm having in AND gate. So now, so when my motor should be start?
Maybe when the level maybe is less than 20, sir.
Yes. Once again. நேத்து யாருக்கு எடுத்த அவனுக்கு லீவ் விட்டுட்டு இவனுக்கு எடு அவனுக்கு லீவ் விட்டுட்டு இவனுக்கு எடு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன் நான் சரி சொல்றேன் அப்போ என்ன சொல்றேன்னா சார் இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் போதும் இங்க ஏதோ ஷடவுன் மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க அதெல்லாம் சொல்லாத நீங்க இன்னைக்கு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன் நீ பாலாஜிக்கு மட்டும் எடுத்து ஏன்னா வரல எல்லாரும் நாளைக்கு So now, so greater than block initiation, that time only I need to start a wall, right? So I'm going to take a
Yes, sir.
greater than wall output to the OR gate 1 input. Then this thing will be to here. Then this thing will to connected. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So after that, so if the motor has been on, I need to shut it off the wall, right? So either one
Yes,
has
sir.
been on. So that time I need to give an interlock here. So what I'm going to do now, lesser than block output will be given to this NC switch.
Okay.
Okay. Then the same thing here I'm going to do lesser than block will be given to the OR gate. Then this input will be in this thing. Then this thing will be in a parallel. Then the greater than will be in a connected to the NC.
Oh, yes.
The same thing I will be giving an interlock here.
Oh, yes, sir.
So after that, I need to convert a start and stop here. I need to invert the start and stop. So how should I add it now? Below of the thing, I'm going to take in one more AND gate as well as OR gate. Then in a utility, I'm going to take in a flag for start and stop.
Oh, yes, sir.
Flag one, flag two. So this might start. This might stop. Then I'm changed as a NC. So the stop switch has been connected to this NC. Okay, I'm given like this start and stop here. So after
Yes,
that,
sir.
what I'm going to do now, this output able to connect as a in this wall as well as this motor also. Okay.
Okay, sir. This.
Now you can check it will be working or not. So I'm going to this is now what is the set point of this thing? Greater than input.
Greater than 80, sir.
Yeah, so that's why I'm going to give an 80 here. So in actual value, I'm given a 80. Then this is a lesser than. So I'm going to
Yes.
give a lesser than will be a 20. That thing is enough. So after that, here this is my A input. So I'm going to choose the A. This thing will be enough. For my identification, I'm giving this thing. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
Set underscore. That's enough. So I will done a program now. So now save, close. Then once again you need to load. So now see, I didn't enable the start and stop here. Suppose the value has been coming in a field given a 10. So 10 means it is a lesser than block. I need to start a motor, but see my motor will be not started.
Yes, sir.
So that time I'm going to give a start here. Then only my motor should be started. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the motor should be started. So if the value has been greater than 25, still the motor will be run. Say 25 plus 30. So here I did off it. சொல்லுங்க.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Insufficient balance number. Yeah, okay, sir. So you get it this thing. So suppose if I enable the stop switch, what will happen now? This motor will be stopped.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So until the process will be done now. So if you're giving us a 85, then my valve should be open. My valve should on, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you're giving us a stop switch means then all the process will be shut it down. So the valve offered and then motor also offered.
Yes, sir.
So like that only we can make a program here. Okay, sir. Then so here some functions I'm having in a lesser than that functions blocks. Sorry, the logic. You can you can practice, or else we can directly move on to the HMI topic today. Okay, to control on and off switches.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you wanna practice for these switches, you can put because it is an easily syntax, easily blocks. That's why, like greater than, lesser than, limit switch, maximum
Mm.
pulse. So whatever we can see in a PLC, that instruction will be.
Yes, sir. So same like that only.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling. If you wanna practice, you can practice. Or else we can directly move on to the HMI. Okay.
Sir, at the end, you give me 20 minutes, no, sir. That time I will do practice.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
can move now further topics, na?
Yes, sir. Okay. Fine. No problem. So now here you can see I'm added a digital and then all analog input here. Okay. So
Okay.
in
Yes, sir.
So now here I'm having in a SCADA software. So what is a SCADA software? Now here you can see in display. So in basically it having a SCADA software. But what is the problem now? Without a SCADA device, it will be not work. So instead of the
Yes,
SCADA
sir.
software only, we are using an HMI web display builder.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now if you connect this HMI web display builder, so after opening the HMI web display builder, see this is our server name. So it will be defaultly connected our local host server. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
our server name. So now what is the asset of my page number?
CM.
No, no, asset.
Maybe day two. Day two, sir. Day two.
Yeah, right. So my asset will be in a day two, right? The day two. So now I'm going to search my asset in a show filter option.
Yes, sir.
So filter I'm click at, then you can see day one I'm having day two. So if you click the day two now, it will be show our point ID. So this is our programming page number, okay? CM
Yes, sir.
underscore 601. So I don't know asset, but I don't know the page number only that. Then you can search a page number also. It also works. CM underscore 601.
Yes, sir.
It's a two method to search our programming module. Okay, this is the thing.
Yes, sir.
So now after that, here you can see I'm having a digital input, analog input. See, this is an analog input I'm assigning, then a set points, analog set points, then I'm having a digital input and then output here. So how should I
Yes,
connect
sir.
design it here now? So if you're using a digital input means then we need to use a combo box in a menu bar, combo box. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is in a combo box for all the digital inputs. So I'm choosing a combo box here, then I'm giving. So this two combo box I'm going to make in a start and stop. Okay, that's why I'm choosing. I'm giving for start and stop. So now there I'm having a three analog points. I mean, two is in a set point, one is in a field value. So
Oh, yes, sir.
what the block I need to do design it here 9.9 alpha numeric.
Yes,
So
sir.
this pin will be I'm going to do. So just drag and drop it. Then show. So this thing I'll make a duplicate. Okay. For one thing will be in my field input, another will be in a set point. So if you want a command using text box, we can give a command. So this is my for my identification, I'm giving this command. That thing is enough. So after that, I want to see my output working or not. So should I design it now? Same thing in a shape gallery. In a menu bar, you can see I'm having shape gallery. Class. So shape gallery, in the shape gallery, I'm going to choose it, expand it. Then you can see here I'm having some files has been available. So what is that files now? That shapes. So what are the shapes has been available in industry, it will be shown. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to take, I need a tank first. So I'm taking a one tank here, right click, insert into display, click it OK. Then I need a pump. So either pump or a motor we can choose. So I'm going to choose a motor is error. Then I'm going to choose some wall. So I'm having so much of walls, but this 5 walls as well make animation. So I'm going to make this wall as an animation. So I'm taking walls, pumps, all those things I'm taking. Here you can see. Okay, I'm given. So after that, I want to monitor the level.
Yes, sir.
So how should I monitor? Now in the menu bar, you can see I'm having an indicator. So in this indicator, I'm going to design it. Okay, so this is my indicator, I'm designer. So now I'm going to link.
Yes, sir.
So after that, I need to link it. Now, how should I link it? Now, double tap that combo box. Then here I'm having data tab. Okay. In this data tab, I'm going to link it this thing, directly drag it and drop. Then a parameter. So what is the parameter I'm going to give it in? Yeah? In a program, what is the start switch name has been I'm given there. See, that is my start.
Yes, sir.
Start PVFL. Okay.
Yes,
That name we need to give.
parameters. Okay.
Yes. Then I close it. So same thing in this also. I'm going to double tap, then drag it and drop. Start dot pv. Yes. No need to save option here. Directly close it. That's thing, sir. Then analog. Double click, drag it and drop. So analog what we given that there. AIPV. Okay. For analog
Yes, sir.
only, we need to give a data entry must be allowed here. For digital, it
Okay.
will be defaultly allowed, but in analog, we need to give. Okay. So then
Yes, sir.
same thing in a set I, I'm going to double click, then a drag and drop. So these things will be in a set I. So I'm going to SCT underscore search it. So if you search it also, it will be available. Set I dot pv I'm given, then data entry close, then a set low, drag and drop, set underscore search it, then a set low dot pv data entry close. Then here I'm linked with any all inputs, but I'm going to
Yes,
link
sir.
the output now. So how should I link it now? So here, how should I link it in using a data tab? But in output,
Yes, sir.
it will be not available the data tab. So we need to enable the data tab now. Double click that output. Then in a behaviors, save sequence animation, we need to enable. So once it is enabled, then data. Okay. So now I'll link it. Then output will be na there. What is the name of that output? I'm using as a motor and bar. So I'm going to give you some motor. Then these things will be in a wall. Data, drag it and drop, then a wall.
So I think motor output is in analog, digital, na, sir.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm given digital now.
No, you are given digital, but data entry allow na in this last one.
Yeah. Why this?
This is for only.
Yeah,
Okay.
why this I'm given? So these things will be now outside from our library. I mean, outside from our file. So that's
Okay.
why you want to see the animation. We need to give a permission for that animations. So that's why I'm given
Okay,
data
sir.
entry. Okay. Now this indicator. So indicator will be double click data, drag and drop. Then this thing will be now our numeric input. So I'm going to choose as a AI dot pv. Okay, this also analog. The default it will be enabled. Close it. That's all. I designed some small animation here. Then I save it. So save like whatever name you want. So I'm going to give a tank. I save a file.
No need to give, sir, any tank this one location, sir.
No need to give because see, we assign
Okay.
all the points now. So no need to save.
Yes, sir.
So then a file view win station I'm having. View win station. So if you click that view win
Yes,
station,
sir.
what will happen now? One more HMI station will be open here. It open it now. See the set points and then levels has been showing here. So then here we need to change it now. See if I click this now, it will be showing. asset not assigned to the operator station. Means we need to change some manager. So in the right side below of the window, I'm having operator. So in this
Yes, sir.
operator, we need to give a password has been MNGR. Okay. So after clicking in a manager, then click it OK. So now I'm going to give a set point of below 20. Only one click is enough here. Okay. No need to give it a double click. 20. Then I'm going to enable my start input here. So that time you can see my motor should be started. Okay, motor started.
Yes, sir.
Then I'm increasing the value. So I offer that start, but it will be still long. Then I'm increasing the value as a 50. Then my level also increases. Then I'm increasing the value as 80. So this time also increases. So more see the motor cutter, my valve should be open. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then if it is an 85, my still my valve should be open. So after that, you can see below of that my display showing an alarm. So what is the alarm will be coming now? You use the data acquisition block there, right?
Yes, sir.
So that all alarms will be showing here. You can see day 2, that is our location of our asset. What is the time we are coming? Then a page number. Then what is the priority of this alarm? Then what is the value of that alarm? So all those things will be shown here. Okay. So if
Yes,
you
sir.
know, if you want to neglect this alarm, now just give it as an acknowledge page. It will be neglected.
Yes, sir.
So then you need to go back now. In a menu bar, I'm having F8. So if you press it, it will be open. This is a thing of designing. Okay. So down I want to edit it again. Station exit. So it will be in edit mode.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So okay. Now you can do it, man. So this designing you can do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This time closer the file. Then I'm opening a new file here. You can design it here. The program will be in the same program. It will be work. So you can only design.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm given control to you. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, actually, some maybe in screen, not responding is
Yes, sir. I
happen
will be
actually.
sent one more link. I will send. You can.
Yes, yes, sir.